It was almost a spring-like day with temperatures up around 50 degrees in many areas this afternoon, but winter weather is coming back. Temperatures are getting chilly out there again tonight. After a morning low of 33, which was 7 above normal, we did make it up to that 50-degree mark, a solid 5 degrees above normal for this time of year. But there were some strong gusty winds occasionally as the front swept through, kicked up the winds. We had a gust at BWI of 37 miles an hour. It's currently 37 right now at the airport, 41 in downtown Baltimore, getting close to freezing across the interior parts of the eastern shore. Fair Hill up in Cecil County has already dropped to 25. It's in the 20s in Manchester, Hereford, Camp David, northern Frederick County. These areas to the north will have more ice typically, just like the last storm system that rolled through, and it'll be more rain and slightly warmer air to our south tomorrow night. But just about everybody's going to get at least a taste of the winter weather. Right now, the skies are still mostly clear. We will see an increase in the cloud cover as we head toward morning as this cold air pours in from the Great Lakes, just barely getting into Baltimore and points north. We're kind of on the southern fringe of this cool air mass that will come in. Just cold enough to produce that wintry mix as this moisture west of the mountains plows into the cold air. And the farther north you go, obviously the worse the weather is going to be as far as snow, sleet, and freezing rain tomorrow night. In the morning, just cloudy and cold, not anticipating any kind of significant precipitation here until afternoon, especially as we get to about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll probably start as a little burst of snow, which may produce a dusting before it changes over to sleet and freezing rain in the afternoon and evening, and continues into a good part of the early evening. But I think by the time we get toward midnight tomorrow night, most of the precipitation will be leaving us. It'll probably leave behind some icy conditions even into Sunday morning. But as far as precipitation falling, it's essentially from around noon to midnight tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. By the afternoon on Sunday, skies should be clearing up, and whatever ice we have in the morning, which could be significant near the Pennsylvania line or out in the western Maryland mountains, that should melt down during the day on Sunday with warmer temperatures. So increasing cloudiness tonight, getting a little bit colder out there, 25 to 32. And then highs tomorrow, nowhere near the 50-degree mark like today. We'll only be in the low 40s, a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain in the afternoon and evening. Good deal of rain after the quick little burst of wintry weather in southern Maryland. Scattered rain and snow showers on the eastern shore with a little ice mixed in, and an ice storm warning for the far western Maryland mountains. Sunday brings the clearing skies and temperatures in the low 40s, which is actually a couple degrees below average for both Sunday and Monday, but at least dry weather. And then a good chance for some accumulating snow Tuesday, so an alert day there from the afternoon and evening, a few inches of snow, which probably won't wind down until sometime Wednesday morning.